Here's one more explanation of how to turn a matrix into row echelon form to solve the system. I've already got it in the augmented matrix. We're going to go through first step, turn into a 1, already is. We're going to turn that, so we're going to multiply by -2 row 1, there's my constant, plus row 2. So row 1 stays the same, row 3 stays the same, row 2 changes. So that's -2, that's -3. That's going to be 2 plus 1, that's +3. And then -12 plus -9, what is that going to be? -21. Then I'm going to turn this -3 into a 1, so -1/3 row 2. Slide this over, 1, 1, -1, 6. So row 3 also stays 0, 1, -1, 7. Row 1 and 2 are done. Now I'm going to take negative row 1 plus row 2, or 3, I'm sorry. So we got row 1 and 2 staying the same. 0, 1, -1, and then we get 0. -1 plus -2 is -3. 1 plus 3 is 4. -6 plus 1 is -5. Let's make sure I did that right. Yes. Turn this into a 0 using the one above it. So we're going to take 3 row 2 plus row 3. 1, 1, -1, 6. 0, 1, -1. It's going to stay 0. That's going to stay 0. We've got -3. Oh, that's actually really nice. It does not always happen. 21 and 5. What's that going to give me? 16. Did I do that right? Let's see here. 21. Yep. So that actually finished it out. Now, if you're looking at this, that was really quick to solve this system. Because remember, I know z equals 16. I got 1. I move up a row, back substitution. I say y minus z, which is now 16, equals 7. So y has to equal 23. Then I go back to the top row. I have x plus 23, which is my y, minus 16 equals 6. So if we go through, we're solving it for, what are we solving for? X. We got to add 16 and subtract 23. That's going to give me -1. And we've got my system solved.